Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by narrowing options. Pick one engine and one language so you can build depth quickly. Once chosen, install the engine, open a new project, and create a simple scene. Make a player object and script basic movement. That forces you into the toolchain and shows where gaps are. Practice small, repeatable tasks for 10 to 30 minutes daily to reinforce skills. This habit turns confusion into clarity and gives you immediate feedback. Now expand the prototype into a playable loop. Handle input, update game state, and render feedback each frame so you feel progress. Make systems modular. Input, physics, UI, and rules should be separate to simplify testing and changes. Once modules work, iterate by swapping placeholder art and tuning parameters. That reveals hidden bugs and balance issues. Use version control commits at meaningful milestones so you can roll back. And right to finish, focus on polish. Refine controls, add sound and animations, and optimize to reach stable 30 or 60 frames per second depending on your target. Once done, create a reproducible build pipeline so exports are consistent, and test on real devices to catch platform-specific issues. Release an early version to testers, collect feedback, and patch critical bugs. If things go wrong, reproduce the issue reliably, isolate the smallest failing case, and fix that case first before broad changes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.